In this video, I'll be going over about who is repurpose.io for and how it can help you in your content strategy. Now, if you've never heard of repurpose.io before, it's an amazing software slash service that you can sign up for free and try it out anytime. It definitely is a time saver, and it can also save you a lot of headache and hassle in the long run. Now, for me, whenever I first started creating content online, I would, put a lot of effort, and I still do put a lot of effort into creating the content. And then I would post 3 to 5 times a day on TikTok when I was really trying to grow on there. And then I would have to remove the watermark, go to snaptic, whatever, and then I'd have to re-download it, and then I'd have to post on Instagram, put in the description, then I'd have to press submit. Then I have to go on YouTube Shorts, post it on YouTube Shorts, to put a headline, press submit. I'd have to go to my Facebook page, put it on there, put a description, press submit, go on, I don't know, like LinkedIn. I would go on Twitter. And so, do you see how this kind of over time becomes kind of a hassle where you're doing this sometimes 3 times a day? It's like I really got burnt out over time. So, repurpose.io is an automation where they make it easy to get content workflow where you can post one time and then through connections through different platforms through something that's called an open API, which basically just means it connects a platform to another, and it will automatically post for you. And so you can imagine how much time it saves, how much stress, but also just the bandwidth, right? You only have 100% of energy during a day to do anything. And so if you're wanting to work on your business and improve the product, improve your service, actually help with clients or whatever your business might be, you need to actually create content in a very smart, systematic, and optimized way. And to be honest, a lot of people miss the ball on this by far. And so I kind of have this obsession over time where I like to make anything that I do evergreen. If you've never heard the word evergreen, it's basically just making your content actually last a long time, but also that I don't have to do it again and it becomes an asset to me and my business. So, um, for example, if you're a TikToker, this is going to be something that you're going to love because you automatically post your TikTok videos to all your social media channels. You literally buy back your time, grow your audience, save on outsourcing. So a lot of people do actually pay virtual assistants to do this kind of work for them. And repurpose.io is very affordable. You can try it for free, but it's just $25 a month. And so if you are creating a decent amount of content and you want to, not have to pay for a virtual assistant and let Repurpose do all the hard work for you, basically being your virtual assistant, then I would definitely say that this might be for you. So what you do is you post content consistently and it doesn't have to be stressful. So you don't have to worry about if your target audience is going to see it because you can push it to all the different platforms. You don't have to spend all this crazy time creating the content on every single platform by itself. Or like for me, when I was spending all the time taking out the watermark and pushing it to all the different platforms, um, and then distributing it takes a lot of time too. So all you have to do is connect your TikTok account. If you're a TikToker, you create a TikTok workflow, and then you publish your TikTok videos as normal. And so a TikTok workflow is really not that hard to set up. You literally name it. You do a source, which would be TikTok in this example. You name the source because that's where you're doing your posts and that's your source content, and then you decide where to go as the destination. So it's really that simple. The destination could be, for example, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Facebook Reels, Twitter, SoundCloud, which I don't ever use, but I mean some people might. Podcast, Google Drive. I love Google Drive, Dropbox, Pinterest, Instagram. So can you imagine doing this every day in your paying, or you could just have an do it for you. So who is this for? This is for TikTokers. This is for podcasters. This is for video creators, right? You can use this in so many different ways. One video becomes many pieces of content, right? You can literally not have to worry about these things once you set it up right correctly the first time. It's the beauty of it. It's the beauty of it. So I think literally you should just take advantage of the software. It's really not that hard to set up. We have tons of tutorials. We have tons of different case studies and ways that you can literally step by step, click by click, get this all done in a timely manner. And you can have your first automations going out today. So I would literally give it a shot. You have nothing to lose. You don't even have to put your credit card to try it. So just try it out. See if this is right for you. It's not right for everybody, but for me, it's something that I can't talk about enough because I love it. I really do. I really believe in the service and the system and automation and longevity. So if you're anything like that, I would give it a shot. And obviously, you can try it out down below in the link in the bio. So hopefully, you have an awesome day. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. If not, I will see you guys in the next video.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club.